Hello viewers, Rajach is the clue, the English sentences with Pashto translation. Viewers, video complete ugore our channel dar sara subscribe kare. Sentences these among sara. Don't mind. Don't mind. Picker makawa. It's mine. Mine ke bandi zama. Da zamadi. It's mine. Mind your language. خپل ژبې ته پام وکړئ. Mind your language. You can do it. You can do it. تاسو یې کولی شئ. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. خپل ځان سره چلند وکړئ. Keep it in your mind. Keep it in your mind. دا په خپل ذهن کې وساتئ. I don't think so. I don't think so. زه داسې فکر نه کوم. زه داسې فکر نه کوم. It's not my problem. It's not my problem. دا زما ستونزه نه ده. There are two tables. There are two tables. دلته دوه میزونه دي. Is it possible now? اوس دا ممکنه ده. No, it's not possible. No, it's not possible. دا ممکنه نه ده. Are you sleeping? تاسو اوده. Are you sleeping? Subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching.